Onboarding new clients in Vendasta is simple, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can start using the platform to streamline your processes and offer your clients a seamless experience. Stick around because by the end, you'll have everything you need to onboard your clients quickly and effectively, and we'll be offering you an exclusive extended free trial of this software to help you get started. First off, when you log into Vendasta, the dashboard is where you'll start. You'll see the Clients section on the left-hand menu, and clicking there will bring up a list of all your existing clients and the option to add a new one. So, the very first thing you'll do is hit that Add Client button. Next thing, you'll be prompted to fill out a client profile. This is where you'll input your client's basic information, like their company name, contact details, and the services they're interested in. Once that's done, hit Save, and you've officially added your client to the system. The third thing you'll need to do is assign services to that client. Vendasta offers a range of marketing, sales, and CRM services that you can attach directly to the client's profile. Simply choose from the list of available services and select the ones that fit your client's needs. This is where you customize their experience and set them up for success. The fourth thing is setting up their billing. You can easily manage client subscriptions and payment plans right within Vendasta. Once your client is set up with the services they've chosen, navigate to the billing section and configure the plan they prefer, whether it's a monthly or annual payment schedule. This process is streamlined, so you don't have to worry about anything getting missed. Next, we move on to setting up the client's dashboard. Vendasta has a powerful reporting and dashboard system that helps you track client progress, monitor performance, and make adjustments in real time. To customize the dashboard, simply select the widgets and data points that are most important to your client's business goals. Lastly, don't forget about the communication tools. Vendasta offers a variety of ways to keep in touch with your clients directly within the platform. Whether it's setting up automated notifications or creating email templates, this feature ensures that you stay connected with your clients every step of the way. Now that you've added your clients, assigned services, set up billing, customized the dashboard, and fine-tuned communication, you're officially ready to go. It's all about making sure each of these steps is tailored to the needs of the client, which is why Vendasta's flexibility is such a great fit for businesses looking to scale and optimize client relations. As a bonus for watching this video, I've got an exclusive offer for you, an extended free trial of Vendasta. That's right, get started without any risk and see how this software can elevate your client onboarding process. You'll find a link in the description below, so make sure to grab it before it's gone. In summary, onboarding new clients in Vendasta is a straightforward process. You can add clients, assign services, manage billing, customize their dashboards, and communicate seamlessly all in one place. If you want to get started with Vendasta for free, click the first link below for your exclusive extended trial and start simplifying your client management today.